Out of every 100 people you meet, only 3 really understand money. That leaves 97 who might be missing out because they have yet to have the chance to boost their financial IQ. Globally, we are talking about 3.5 billion people unsure how to handle their finances. In 2022, not knowing about personal finance cost the average person $1,809. That's a vacation, a down payment on a car, or a big boost to your savings. And do not ask about the stats about developing countries. But here's the thing, learning about money is for everyone, and it's never too late to start. Your financial IQ influences every money decision, from saving for emergencies to planning for retirement. Welcome, Affluence. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to have a golden touch with their finances while others struggle to keep their heads above water, this video is just for you. Here are 10 ways to increase your financial IQ. Number 1. Don't believe everything you hear. Most of us will go to the doctor for a complete checkup or call a plumber when water leaks from the pipes. But for some reason, we tend to take financial advice from well-meaning coworkers, friends, or even the internet. And here's the kicker. Not all that advice is good advice. You wouldn't wear someone else's glasses and expect to see clearer, right? Some tips you hear might sound smart at first, but they can lead you down the wrong path. Like the myth that you should always buy a house because it's an investment, or that keeping money in your savings account is the best way to save. The truth is that it's not that simple. Here's what to do instead. Look for information from trusted sources, such as educational websites, certified financial advisors, reputable finance books, and of course, the Affluent Empire YouTube channel. And always question what you hear. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't be afraid to dig deeper, ask questions, and get a second opinion. Number 2, understand how money works. Think of money not just as currency, but as a tool. It moves, it grows, and yes, sometimes it shrinks. Knowing the basics of this flow is crucial. Successful people navigate through the financial world with ease, making smart moves, while others struggle. It all starts with understanding the very fabric of our economy, the flow of money, and the banking system. First up, earning. Money comes in through jobs, businesses, and investments. Simple, right? But it's what you do next that defines your financial journey. You've got 3 main paths: spending, saving, and investing. Spending is immediate. It's the food you eat, the roof over your head, essential, but it doesn't grow your wealth. Saving is when you set money aside for future use. It's secure, but it grows slowly, often too slow to beat inflation. And then there's investing. This is where your money starts working for you. Stocks, bonds, real estate. You're putting your money into ventures that have the potential to grow over time. If you are a beginner and just starting to learn about investing, check out our complete guide on how to invest for beginners. There is so much valuable information for you to give investing a head start. Mastering the flow of money is an important step to increase your financial IQ. It teaches you how to save, invest, and manage risks intelligently. Number 3, master the rule of 72. Let's break down something super useful today, the rule of 72. It's a quick, easy trick to figure out how fast your money can double with compound interest. No fancy math is needed. All you do is take 72 and divide it by your annual interest rate. The answer tells you how many years it'll take for your investment to double. For example, if your investment earns 6% a year, it'll double in about 12 years. Pretty neat, right? Why does this matter? Well, it gives you a quick way to see how changes in interest rates affect your money. It's also great for comparing different investments at a glance. The rule of 72 helps you understand how your interest can boost your savings, helping you make smarter choices. Quickly see which investments might grow faster so you can choose the best ones. Get how growth and the importance of time affect your money. Use this rule to set smart goals and timelines for your investments. Number 4, read influential personal finance news and articles. In today's media whirlwind, getting the real scoop on personal finance is crucial. Let's talk about cutting through the noise to find the news that matters. Remember that not all news is created equal. Look at where it's coming from. Is the source reputable? What's their track record? Watch out for conflicts of interest or sensational headlines that don't really say much. Look for articles backed by research and data, not just opinions. Facts are your best friends that truly enhance your financial IQ. Number 5. Share your financial knowledge with others. Sharing what you know about money helps everyone, including you. As Benjamin Franklin said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Teaching others about money makes your own skills sharper. Studies show understanding and talking about finances leads to better decisions. This is true for tricky stuff like stocks or crypto. So, have those money talks with friends and family or online. Share your insights and learn from theirs. It's a win-win. Number 6. Learn from personal finance videos and books. Start with the basics. Grab books that cover budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Authors like Dave Ramsey, Robert Kiyosaki, and Benjamin Graham have written books packed with decades of financial wisdom. These books offer practical advice, breaking down complex topics into easy-to-understand lessons. Jump on YouTube or educational platforms. There are tons of channels, including Affluent Empire, that offer insightful videos on a range of financial topics. If you want to dig deep into investment strategies that have helped a lot of people build wealth, check out our previous video. The link is in the description. Number 7. Learn and analyze case studies from the real world. Real-life financial stories or case studies teach you about actual money situations companies and people face. By looking into these, you can get a feel for how financial decisions play out in the real world. Such financial case studies show you how all those financial concepts are used in day-to-day business. Analyzing these stories forces you to think critically. You get to evaluate why certain decisions were made and what their outcomes were. Learning from both the wins and the losses is invaluable. It teaches you about risk, making investment choices, planning financially, and more. These lessons are gold for anyone looking to improve their financial IQ. So, how do you tackle these case studies? Start by understanding the backdrop of the story. What is it about? What's the market situation? Then identify the key financial moves made. Look at the outcomes. Did things work out? Think about other strategies that could have been used and why. Finally, apply financial theories or models to analyze the decisions and outcomes. This might sound complex, but it's really about asking, what happened, why, and what could have been done differently? Pause for a moment and watch the 10 Assets Making People Rich video. We are sure you will find many potential money-making opportunities there. And yes, it will also enhance your financial IQ. Number 8. Listen to good financial podcasts. Tuning into financial podcasts is a smart move for anyone looking to boost their financial IQ. Here's the lowdown on why they're awesome and how to make them work for you. Podcasts are super convenient. You can listen to them pretty much anywhere, on your commute, at the gym, or while you're chilling at home. They fit into your life without making you carve out extra time for them. They keep you in the loop with the latest on market trends, investment tips, and all things money. Plus, they can be a great source of motivation to get your finances in shape. The cool thing about the best finance podcasts is that they bring in experts, successful entrepreneurs, savvy investors, and finance pros. Hearing their stories, you get a mix of perspectives and top-notch advice that's hard to find anywhere else. To really get the most out of financial podcasts, pick ones that align with your interests and goals. Check out The Dave Ramsey Show for practical money advice, So Money for a peek into the business world, Smart Passive Income for ideas on making money while you sleep, and Planet Money for insights into the economic forces that affect your wallet. Number 9. Test your knowledge with financial experiments. Trying out financial experiments is a brilliant strategy for putting your money smarts to the test and sparking real growth in your financial know-how. Think about setting yourself challenges or exploring new money-making strategies. For instance, you could live on a bare-bones budget for a month to really see what frugality feels like, or dive into an investment class you've never tried before to gauge the risks and rewards. The key to these experiments is reflection and documenting your experiment. Take the time to consider what worked, what flopped, and why. You might spot patterns in your behavior that you can tweak for better outcomes. Number 10. Get help from a financial advisor. If you're really serious about upping your financial game, consider getting a pro on your team. A financial advisor can help anyone who wants to get their finances on the right track. Financial experts give you the lowdown on creating a solid financial plan that fits your life. They can dish out advice on investments, help you navigate complex financial decisions, and tailor strategies specifically for your goals. Why go it alone when you can have a financial coach by your side? These advisors stay on top of all the financial trends and shifts in the market, so you don't have to. And that's a wrap, Affluents. If you found value in today's video to increase your financial IQ, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe and ring the bell icon so you won't miss out on more videos. Thanks for watching.